For over 65 years, Laticrete has been innovating to find solutions that give installers the best experience possible, enabling them to do their job safer, easier, and giving them peace of mind that their work can be trusted for life. This legacy continues, and we've been hard at work developing the latest additions to our product portfolio, which I'm happy to reveal to you today. We'll start out with lightweight, upgraded versions of what are already industry-leading products. The first is next-generation technology for the king of thin-set mortars, our 254 Platinum. 254 Platinum will still be there for those who love it, but now we're introducing 254 Platinum Plus. This product's innovative chemistry offers all the performance you know and love about 254 Platinum, plus the additional benefits of being a lightweight, non-sanded formula with a creamy, smooth consistency and longer open time to give installers the best experience possible and be a trusted adhesive for even the most challenging applications, including gauge porcelain tile. Simply put, this thin set does it all. Our other lightweight product introduction is NXT Level Plus Light. Our customers are our family, so we're always looking to give them the best experience possible. At 27 pounds bag weight, this lightweight, non-sanded self-leveling underlayment weighs half that of a traditional SLU, making it easier and safer to handle and work with, and contains no respirable crystalline silica levels that exceed the OSHA action level. Like people, some structures are not rated to carry the full weight of a standard SLU, and at a cured weight of 40 to 50% less than most standard SLUs or concrete, its load-bearing burden is significantly lower. High-performing and versatile, this fiber-reinforced underlayment is designed for leveling over almost any substrate. It can be poured up to 4 inches deep and produces a flat, smooth, and hard surface, and can be ready for finished flooring installation in as soon as 24 hours. Now, shifting focus a little, maybe you've heard that we're launching profiles. We didn't want to only bring one of the broadest, deepest product ranges to the market, made with unparalleled quality and backed by Laticrete's industry-leading warranty program and support. So we took it a step further. We're the only manufacturer who matches their profiles to their very own grout colors. Now, it's easy to make installations look their best with grout and profiles that perfectly complement one another. And what's more, we can also make custom profile colors for larger jobs as part of our innovative AnyColor program. Take your design to the edge with Laticrete. And finally, we have Permacolor Select Special Edition colors, the latest surface trends and the most versatile grout pigment system in the industry intersect to form our Special Edition grout color program. We have selected 6 colors to introduce in Permacolor Select High Performance Grout that range from traditional to innovative and different, like our new oil rubbed bronze, rustic gray, and rustic brown colors. Innovation is what we do, and you cannot get colors like this from anyone else but Laticrete. So that covers what's coming soon, and we're excited for you to get the chance to experience these new products firsthand. These products all start shipping in July, and if you're looking for more information on these great products, go to laticrete.com or reach out to your Laticrete sales rep with any questions or to schedule a training. On behalf of Laticrete, I want to thank you so much for your support and your time today, and we wish you the best for the rest of 2023.